today in this video we'll show you how you can make awesome Pillsbury Grands cinnamon rolls. It's really easy to make, and let's get started. First thing is right here it says to peel, so we're going to do that. If I can get it, there we go. Pull it, it should have instructions. It says use a spoon, but if you use your finger you can do the same thing and it'll pop open. We're going to open it up. I'm going to take the icing out, put it on the side. Okay, next we're going to take out 4 pieces from this roll. Okay, we have 4 here, and now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer at 300 degrees. And we're going to go for 10 minutes. Start. We're going to let it preheat and we'll be back. Okay, the air fry has been preheated at 300 degrees for 10 minutes. And now we're going to put in the cinnamon rolls. Before you do that, we're going to spray some cooking oil so it doesn't stick. And we're going to put them in. We're doing only 4 because that's all we can fit. Okay, now we're going to put them in for 300 degrees for 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, the cinnamon rolls are ready. And we're going to take them out. Looking good. Alright, we have 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and we're just going to brush some on to the cinnamon rolls. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the icing that came with the Pillsbury Grand cinnamon roll, and we're going to apply it to the rolls. Try to spread it evenly all around the rolls. Last one. Still have some little bit left over. Gonna apply that real quick. Pillsbury Grand Cinnamon Rolls is what we have today. Should give it a try. It's really delicious and easy to make. Give this video a like, and thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!